What the f? Right, we're gonna go through Henley Park, Elm Tree House, Northcote, and then go to Mill Bridge. Oh shit. How the f am I speeding? Now I'm going a bit too slow. Shit. Right, I'm on an emergency brake. Oh, shitting hell, man. That was dangerous. This is cool. We've got our FNER, aka the Fentanyl Northeastern Railway. Fentanyl in my veins. Can I go? Jesus Christ. It's a fat hunk of metal, but it's a big, humongous monkey, literally big of a train. The house entry and house. Whomp. Shut the f up! Oh no! AWS 321. What the f? I'm gonna eat the buffer. Hello, buffer. I'm mom. It's like a little arse.